this is an example of what the Brother SCANnCUT machines do well. Cutting out nice, clear images that have got a continuous line around the outside edge. Now, this particular image is taken from a font. And what I did was I happened to open it up in SCANnCUT a lot, and I edited the font to take out a few little bits that I didn't actually want it to draw, because you can do that quite easily. And then I applied a shadow layer, a rounded shadow layer in SCANnCUT a lot, because we have a choice of different types of shadow layer. And in this particular instance, I just chose to set everything to print. There were little areas in here which would cut out, so I took those out before I sent it to the printer. And basically I've just got a really clean image for it to scan and cut. So I've put it through the SCANnCUT, and I can take the backing off now. This is just normal paper, not sticker paper. But you can see from this how accurately or not it has done it, and it should be pretty accurate. There we go, that's not bad. You can't really fault that, I don't think. So that's how it does it. Now, I could have done that with a pen and got it to do exactly the same thing. It wouldn't make much difference. But if I wanted to make those into stickers with a normal paper, there's a nice easy way of doing it. If you've got a reel of double-sided tape which is quite chunky, you can apply that to the back of your paper before you actually cut it out. Now, in this instance, my designs were just a little bit too big, just a fraction too big for this double-sided tape, so I didn't bother doing it. But that is one way of doing it, and then of course you put it onto a half cut or just a lower normal cut pressure until you kiss cut it. But as I said, I didn't do that with these. This is just normal paper, just to show you how well or otherwise it cuts in relation to the line, and it's done a pretty good job. These stickers are a little different. These are actually stickers which have to be heated or ironed onto a surface. And the reason for that is because they are made from a laminating pouch. Now, to do this is very, very simple. What you do is you take a laminating pouch and you cut the joining top off of it so that you just have one sheet. The inside of a laminating pouch has got a very smooth glue on it. You can't feel it, it doesn't feel at all sticky, but take it from me, that's glue on there. Now, the other side is the outside, which is the shiny side, unless you happen to have bought matte ones. But I've got quite a few of these sheets and they're quite handy for making stickers. All I've done with these is used this pen, which is a normal ballpoint pen, in my machine to draw these stamps on the glue side. Okay, so you draw on the glue side and then you can set it to cut out around your drawing. Now, in this particular case, I haven't coloured them in, and I wouldn't do probably if I used this type of pen. However, if you use a pen like this, which is a permanent marker, you can even draw and then colour in your design. So that is an example of what the Brother SCANnCUT machines do extremely well when it comes to scanning in and cutting a design. If you have a nice, clear line around whatever it is you want to cut, then you can cut things really, really easily. The trick is to make sure you have that nice, clear line. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.